This is your space to pause, to breathe, and to come home to yourself. Wherever you are right now, whatever you are carrying, let this moment be different. Find a comfortable position. You may be sitting, lying down, or resting quietly in your favorite corner of the world. However you arrive here, know that this time is yours. Let your eyes gently close or soften your gaze downward. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Nothing to fix, nothing to force, just presence. In the next few minutes, we will move gently through healing, release, and alignment, meeting yourself exactly where you are. Let's begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and release through your mouth. With each breath, let your body soften a little more. Somewhere within you, there may be old pain, a memory, a moment that left its mark. You do not need to relieve it here. You only need to know. It is safe to feel and safe to release. Place one hand gently on your chest, or simply imagine warmth resting there. Say quietly to yourself, I am safe now. What happened is not happening anymore. I am here in this moment, and this moment is calm. Breathe in and out. Picture a soft golden light beginning at the top of your head. It moves slowly down through your body, releasing tension from your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and release through your mouth. With each breath, let your body soften a little more. This light carries no judgment. It only carries compassion. Let it move into your chest, where so much is often held. If there is heaviness there, let it soften, just slightly, with this breath. You are allowed to heal at your own pace. There is no timeline for peace. Continue breathing as the light moves down through your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet, grounding you gently into the earth beneath you. Bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and release through your mouth. With each breath, let your body soften a little more. You are supported. You are held. You are not alone in this healing. Breathe in strength. Breathe out fear. Breathe in safety. Breathe out all pain. If any emotion rises, let it rise. You do not have to push it away, and you do not have to hold on to it either. Simply let it pass through you, like a wave returning to the sea. Silently repeat, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace into its place. Breathe in strength. Breathe out fear. Breathe in safety. Breathe out all pain. Feel your body resting here, whole and worthy of healing, exactly as you are. This pain does not define you. It is something you carry through, not something you carry forever. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine setting a small piece of that burden down. Right here, right now. Breathe in strength. Breathe out fear. Breathe in safety. Breathe out all pain. You are lighter than you were 5 minutes ago. When you are ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and open your eyes slowly, carrying this sense of peace with you into the rest of your day. You are healing. You are safe. And you are doing beautifully.